Let's walk through the Optical Brightener Tampling Water Quality Survey that I created using ArcGIS Survey123. I titled this survey Optical Brightener Tampling and Water Quality Survey and entered some instructions in the details panel below. I use the single line text feature to enter a spot for the user to put in their name, and the date and time feature to allow the user to put in the time that they deployed and collected their samples. And all of these questions are required. That's why they have the little red asterisk by their name. This means that you cannot submit the survey without having those questions answered. Underneath that, the type of water body in which the tampling was deployed, with several options, including other. And that's using the single choice option. Another single line text where the user can specify a site name with some instructions below. Then I embedded a map where the user can enter their geolocation. The default value of this map is set to the user's location, the location of the user's device, and it will prompt the user to turn on location services if they don't already have that on. This again is required. Then we have some general observations of the sample site. These are notes about the sample site, observations of wildlife, what's nearby, if you notice any sort of smell, anything like that you put in this note section. Then we have the optical brightener sample result. This is not required because we want the user to put in this information after they complete the survey, submit it, and get back to the lab and analyze their tampling result. Below that, we have a section for the user to enter any other water quality parameters they may have measured at the site. And this is using the multiple choice section, so the user can select more than one. Underneath that, we have a multi-line text feature for the user to enter the data associated with that water quality information that they collected. And another notes section to describe the general condition of your sample once you collect it. And finally, we have a section for notes that will be filled in later on if any sort of result is determined. So that's the general layout of the tampling water quality survey. In the next video, I will briefly show you how to edit the appearance of the survey and publish it for the public to view.